Guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Turbo. Now, looking at the charts, I hear two voices, and I am getting closer to one voice, way closer than I am to another one. So the one I'm getting closer is buy. There's a voice screaming, buy, Gossipator, buy. This is getting crazy. And I'm going to explain to you in this video why I believe these could be the last opportunities here. And it looks like things are really starting to kick off. And now the second voice is get out. But that voice is so far away from me that I almost hear it from some newbies out there. You know, the small percentage that tend to be very vocal because they bought at all-time highs and now they're all angry because they want to see their wallets in the green, okay? They took less risk than the others, yet they expect the same type of rewards. That's not how things work. Yes, they can be rewarded, but they're gonna have to wait it out. Now, what are we seeing here with Turbo? Of course, it is finding its, support lines. There was a day where it went up by 20%, then it dropped by 10%. There's a lot going on. As you can see, it's a bit red. We're going in zigzags and so on. But I always look at the long-term chart. You know my stance on looking at short-term charts. It's extremely unhealthy. But guys, behind the scenes, the smart money is really making a lot of moves. And sometimes the smart money even makes itself vocal, so we don't just have to hear all the fudders that keep on trying to throw dirt at Turbo. So look at this comment that I found, very interesting. It says, according to the data, ETH has closed bullish 88.9% of the time in February, with Bitcoin showing a similar trend. This suggests less than a 20% chance of both closing bearish this month. Overall, I'm bullish on the crypto market and believe this month will determine a lot of factors. Once Ethereum gains momentum, as seen yesterday, alt season will fully unfold with Turbo following price action strongly. However, for that to happen, Ethereum needs to gain more dominance approach or surpass its all-time high, which I expect could happen by mid-March. Its lag may be due to the influx of new coins this cycle and XRP's recent reinstatement for US trading, which diverted liquidity from top assets. The fundamentals for Turbo still remain strong, price action looks healthy, and we've gained more holders, and social traction this cycle is offering us an extended accumulation period before alt season, which I predict will peak in April. Now is the time to take advantage. Press on toads. Nothing will stop the Turbo revolution. You see, I love these type of comments because they come with a lot of analysis, a lot of truth behind it, looking at statistics. Look, nothing is 100% guaranteed. Even though this person believes, April could be the month where the real magic starts happening, we don't know 100%, but already some glimpse of great hope. Simple as that. And looking at these stats, we're 80% chance of it closing really well this month, but 20% chance of it not. So there's always these percentages around. So guys, something to look forward to. Remember, I made a video talking about how important Ethereum is. When Ethereum really starts pumping, when it starts popping, and Trump's, the Trump's brand actually has been loading up on Ethereum. I actually put up some articles, like it literally a company associated with Trump is loading up on Ethereum. So if we can even have the president then tweeting about Ethereum, things could really pump. And I know some of you think that Trump is the Solana president because he launched his meme on Solana, but it doesn't really mean much. Really, it doesn't mean much. He could love Ethereum even more, but with Solana, it's just the transactions are cheaper. I think you can quickly gain more money. But the most important thing is that Trump gave that green flag for meme coins. That's the most important thing. In the short term, it sucked out the liquidity from many memes, but in the long term, people have been introduced into the meme field. Simple as that. But overall, I mean, when we look at how much Turbo has achieved, look at the exchanges, look at the partnerships. I mean, it is insane. I can just keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. It just never stops. And the point that I'm trying to make here is that we are seeing so much behind the scenes. On top of it, when we look at the altcoin season index chart, you can see yourselves, we have finally started moving 53 out of 100. So we're getting closer to that altcoin season. Remember, it is all about this season. This is the final bull run. This is the final destination, and we're just trying to get there. So whatever happens now is irrelevant. I know some of you want certain pumps to happen before this altcoin season. I know you want to triple and quadruple your money and so on, but it was never about that. The whole point of Turbo was to wait for that bull run, for that massive bull run, not some random weeks where you see random pumps for no reason. It's not going to happen like that, and I can't promise you that. Okay, so looking at this, I mean, it's looking solid. Bitcoin's dominance obviously needs to drop. Some of you have been saying, oh, what if Bitcoin's dominance never drops? How do you know? Blah, blah, blah. Look, I'm just following a pattern. I'm looking at the history. That's it. The reason why it drops is because people tend to milk all the profits. They take advantage of every last squeeze of a profit of Bitcoin, and then they move on to riskier assets where they can actually start making more money with all the profits and all the money that they have made. Simple as that. That's how it follows. People wouldn't be holding their money in Bitcoin if they can't make any money out of it anymore. That's why if you look at the charts, they always squeeze in, this Bitcoin dominance season. After the Bitcoin halving starts, Bitcoin starts going up and people squeeze as much profit as they can after they look for other assets to invest in. Simple as that. So yes, they are going to go into the memes because the meme field, the meme narrative is extremely promising. That's where real amounts of money can be made, and very, very exciting. People have read and heard the stories of the past 4 years ago. Remember, guys, how much money was made with SHIB, with Doge, with Flocky, and so on. And now it is the turn of all the new ones. So I imagine that on the ETH blockchain, we're going to see coins like Pepe and Turbo really topping the charts, okay? Because they have a ton of room to grow, and they're also very new. They've got a ton of hype. So exciting times ahead of us. If you don't believe in Turbo, what else can I say? I mean, I've said as much as possible. Now, it is up to you to make these big moves. Simple as that. But as of now, guys, let me know how you feel, how you're doing. All that great stuff matters. And as usual, a big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.